Let's repair this Dewalt 389 reciprocating saw. Quick repair. Oh no, the blade has broken. Look at that. Gosh darn it. What a pain in the butt. Part of the blade is stuck in a keeper. Oh no. Let's get our tools together. Okay, let's remove these 4 screws here, and this cover slides off very easily. You'll be surprised at how fast you can repair this saw. Okay, grab your needle nose pliers. There we go. There's that broken piece of that saw blade. It's now been removed. Okay, replace the cover, and let's tighten up the 4 screws. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, la-di-da. Okay, here's our lock for our saw blade. And let's replace it. Ah, just like brand new, ready to go.